Hi, Karen here, and today I'm explaining the importance of the industry list on LinkedIn. This list is simply a compilation of a number of industries that exist on LinkedIn. You may not find a particular industry, but with almost 150 to choose from, this list is still pretty exhaustive. What you need to keep in mind when you decide what is your industry is that it can give you visibility and let people know what field you excel in. In fact, it's no coincidence that LinkedIn asks you to define your industry when you create your profile. This is the first step in optimizing your profile. First and foremost, if you want to change your industry, all you have to do is click on the little pencil on your LinkedIn profile and choose another industry in the industry box. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk prospecting. There are 7 industries that are more than present on LinkedIn. What does it mean? Quite simply that you have more people working on certain fields that are registered on LinkedIn. And so that if your potential client is on these sectors, prospecting on LinkedIn for niche industries will be easier, especially with the fact that you can filter by industry when searching for profiles. So the 4 biggest sectors that are present on LinkedIn are information technology and services, hospital and healthcare, construction, and retail. For your information, these sectors by themselves represent more than 29% of LinkedIn, which is huge. The other 3 are education management, financial services, and accounting. Conversely, there are industries that are less popular on LinkedIn. This doesn't mean that they are less important, but it's more a question of numbers. If you want to grow your network and add people from these sectors, it might be a little more difficult. The 5 industries list used are dairy products, nanotechnology, shipbuilding, judicial system, and alternative dispute resolution. So depending on the field in which you're looking for people, you'll know whether you should approach them on LinkedIn or prefer another social network. To search by industry, click on the search bar and press enter. This will open a search without parameters. Next, filter by people, and in all filters, select the industry of your choice. In addition to the search, the industry can also be a starting point for a conversation. For example, if you want to exchange ideas or establish a partnership with someone in particular, you can start the conversation by asking for a confirmation of the industry. At the beginning of the video, I explained that the industry you choose for your profile will optimize your profile. And that's because in addition to what we've talked about, so the fact that it allows people to correctly identify the field you work in, it can also help you if you're looking for a job. I leave you a link in the description with the entire list of industries on LinkedIn. And that's it for today. See you soon for more videos.